Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new to this channel, then myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the project controller role and how this role could be a game changer for your project management career. So imagine you being the brain behind the project cost, schedule and risk management, ensuring everything takes without a hitch. Crucial, right? Well, that is the crux of the project control. So let's zoom into the role of the project controller. Project controller job is multifaceted. They don't just handle the money, they also create the detailed schedule, risk reports that guide the project decision. These pros work closely with project manager and project director to ensure that every phase of the projects align with management expectation and project objectives. So basically they are the ear and eyes of the top management to know what exactly happening on the project. Their responsibilities include developing project budgets, setting up cost control, schedule control measurement KPI, which provides clear visibility to the key stakeholders. This means they need to be sharp with number, sure, but also the great communicator and strategic thinker, because ultimately their analysis and foresight can make or break a project cost or deadline. So, whether it's forecasting costs of next big tech project or managing expenses in a construction build, a project controller is there, ensuring that every cost and schedule aspects of the project is clear, controlled, and optimized for success. They are the unsung hero who plays a pivotal role to drive the project to timely completion and making profit. And there you have it. That's what being a project controller is all about. Up next, let's talk about why this role is more crucial than ever in today's fast-paced business environment. So, stay tuned. Every project needs a mastermind to keep the costs and schedule on track and stakeholder informed. As a project controller, you not only manage numbers, but you are shaping the success of the project. So, like every rewarding role comes with its own hurdle, project controller job is also not an exception. So, let's deep dive into the common challenges which this project professional face and how they tackle them to stay on the top. So, the first challenge is data complexity. Project controllers deals with lot of cost and schedule data. Passing through this data to extract meaningful insight can be daunting. It's required not only strong analytical skill, but also effective tool to manage and interpret this data efficiently. Another significant challenge the project controller face is stakeholder management. Remember, project management is all about managing expectation of all the stakeholders. Project controller must communicate this information to stakeholders who may not have similar background like cost, finance, or schedule. This means breaking down the complex data into digestible, actionable insights that everyone can understand and act upon. Communication is key here. Another challenge faced by project controller is changing scope of work, and which really makes the life of project controller difficult. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. Unexpected costs and scope change can throw a wrench in a most well-planned budget. Project controller need to be flexible and quick on their feet, adjusting forecast, budget in real time to keep everything aligned. Navigating this challenge is crucial for project controller job. By utilizing project control software, razor sharp communication and analytical skill, project controller can change the challenges into opportunity and make their career growth. So, thinking this might be a next career move? Well, here how you can start. Get certified, network like a pro, and keep learning. Begin by educating yourself. Enroll in a specialized project management and financial courses. Certification like Certified Cost Professional, Earn Value Management can elevate your qualifications significantly. Next is networking. Networking is a key step for developing your project management career. Connect with industry professionals through LinkedIn, attend workshops, seminar, and join relevant forum where you can gain insight and advice from experienced project controllers. And lastly, never stop learning. Keep gaining experience from your work. Gaining practical experience is a key. Whether it's through your current role or voluntary opportunity, getting hands-on experience is invaluable. Work on projects that allow you to apply financial controls, cost forecasting, budget management, schedule control, and others tools. Thanks for watching this video and keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to drop a comment below and we will reach you out to help you. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.